it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today guys, I've got for you an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So today we're going to be unboxing this month's secret scent box. Secret Scents is a fragrance subscription box. You get 3 designer fragrances to try each month. And each month it comes in a very letterbox friendly box. So you don't have to worry about being in or answering the door. It will just come through your letterbox, which is perfect. So when we open up our box, inside is the secret scent box itself. It's always presented really nicely in this black box with some lovely silver writing, which tells you it's a secret scent box. So this is the ladies box. It's for her. They do a men's version too. This costs £15 per month if you're on a monthly subscription where you just get 1 month at a time, or you can get it for 6 months, which is £14 per month, and for 12 months you'll get it for £13 per month. So not bad. So inside we get a little card letting us know that it's the October edition for her, and then we always receive some little information cards about each of the fragrances. There's also something that tells you if you post a photo on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag Secret Scents, you may win a £25 Amazon gift card, which is fab. And then here are our 3 fragrances, nicely presented. And they give you 3 fragrances which are enough to last you the month. So it's kind of perfect, really. I really enjoy these boxes. I think it's a great way to try new fragrances. Everybody's funny with smells. Everybody likes something different. So I think it's a great way to try something. Okay, so what I do each month is I go through the fragrances one by one, telling you the information on the card, and then I'll give them a little smell. So let's do that now. So the first fragrance in our box this month is from Dupe, and it is their Wow Woman. Okay, so it says, launched in 2018, a fragrance skillfully composed by the hypnotic strength of rose infusion with sparkling and juicy facets of wild raspberry. So it says it has top notes of wild raspberry and rose infusion, with middle notes of red rose and peony, with a base note of white musk. So give those a little spray. That's quite nice. I was expecting it to be very floral, but it's quite, yeah, it's really like a fresh scent. You can tell there's like a fruity undertone to that. It's really nice. I like that. Our next fragrance is from Calvin Klein, and it is their Eternity Fresh for Women. It says, a brand new spirited floral fragrance launched in 2020. Eternity Fresh evokes the rush of intimacy and connection. It has top notes of pear, blackcurrant and bergamot. It has middle notes of jasmine absolute, rose absolute and peony, and base notes of amber, musk and patchouli. Okay, let's spray that. That's a stronger scent than the last one, definitely. I was expecting that one to be quite fruity, but it doesn't. It's quite musky. It's quite a musky one. Yeah, I prefer the first one, but that's a stronger scent. I think I prefer subtle scent. Our final one then is from Burberry. It is their Brit Woman, and it says Burberry Brit is the timeless perfume from Burberry, the iconic British fashion house that represents class and charm. It has top notes of lime, frosted pear, white almond, with middle notes of peony, sugar and candied almonds, with base notes of amber, tonka bean, vanilla and mahogany. This one sounds like I'm going to like it. Oh, that one on my hand. Didn't smell exactly how I was expecting it. I like that one. I was expecting it to be a lot sweeter than it is. But I do like it. You can smell the almondy scents, that vanilla-esseness, but it's not like an overwhelming, sickly sweet smell. It's actually really nice. Okay. So those are our 3 fragrances this month. It sounded like from the cards it was going to be a very floral kind of box this month, but I don't particularly think it was. I really liked them. There's some really nice scents. And like I said, it's just the perfect way to try new fragrances. You don't know if you're going to like them buying the whole bottle. I know you can sniff, test testers and things, but it's not quite the same as wearing them. So I always think that this is just a fantastic way to try new things. So that's this month's Secret Scent box, guys. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. Do you like the Secret Scent box? Do you subscribe yourself? Do you have any of these fragrances? Which one do you like? Yeah, so and if you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe. I've got videos coming all the time, unboxings like these. I do a lot of fantastic unboxing, a glossy box unboxing every month, as well as various hauls and things, and I try out bits and bobs. So take a look, you'll get the idea. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.